Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in English. If you watch my Hindi videos, please head over to the Hindi playlist. 29 parts are already uploaded in a very sequential flow. You should be able to understand it from there. In English, this part I'll be covering about signs, 12 different signs which are there. I may have talked about it in my previous videos, but since I've started the flow again, I just wanted to quickly cover it. Additionally, you would be able to see this bottom left corner. This is going to be used as a reference in most of the videos that I'll be making going forward, and maybe certain revisions to it from this point onward. Uh, so to talk about signs, there are 12 different signs, right? How does it get generated in a Kundli and how you would be able to see? So in a Kundli, you can see, let's say Aries, AR for Aries, Taurus, and then rest of the signs. You could see Aquarius, AQ, and then this is one way of denoting it. The second way of seeing it can be like 1, 2, 3, 4. So numeric representation. Specifically, so in if you are taking a look at the North Indian Kundli, that is how you would be able to see it. So 1 to let's say 12 different signs will get represented. The third way of kind of seeing it in a Kundli is you could have something like this. Now you can refer to these videos or you can refer to this section in case you have a Kundli generated and need to understand which one is it, right? The difference here is so let's say sun is mentioned here, one is mentioned here, sun is in Aries sign and then house number 1. If sun is mentioned here and then it's Aries sign is here, then you have Taurus sign, and then third is this. So houses are not fixed here, but the signs are fixed here. So sun will be kind of, if it is seen here, then sun is in Gemini sign. And then if sun is mentioned here, then sun is in Aries sign, but the house can be different here. Okay. Now, to talk a little bit about signs and to understand how the result can be interpreted, there are three major things that we should focus upon, and that is first polarity, the second is quality, and third and major uh, major thing to focus is element, right? What is polarity? So all the different signs are divided in between two different types of polarity. Is it a active polarity or is it a passive, right? So that is the one way of looking at. So let's say all the odd signs 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, all these signs are basically have day polarity, active signs, more of extrovert in nature, right? And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, they are introvert in nature, have night polarity, or you could say passive. Okay, so the polarity is now clear, and when a planet is in a particular sign, we have to kind of see the polarity of it and how the planet nature is as well. So that is how we kind of relate and interpret the results. The second thing that we should focus on is the quality, right? Quality of the sign. Now there are three different types of quality that a sign represents, whether it is cardinal in nature or cardinal in nature or fixed in nature or mutable. Third is mutable, right? Now these three qualities are repeated. So Aries is cardinal in nature, then Taurus is fixed, and Gemini is mutable. Now CFM, it again gets repeated. So Cancer is cardinal, Leo is fixed, Virgo is mutable. Cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable. So that is how it is, right? So and what does it mean? So cardinal, and in Hindi it is known as char signs, are outgoing, And enterprising signs, when it is fixed signs, they are very intense and are resistant to change. And when you have mutable signs, they are basically adaptable. Yeah. So that is how you can understand the quality of different signs. The third is what is the element that it represents. So there are four different types of element when we kind of try to decipher the result: fire, earth, air, water. So Aries is fiery in nature, Taurus is earthly in nature, Gemini is airy in nature, and then Gemini is what Cancer is watery in nature. Okay, so FEAW, and then it again gets repeated. FEAW, FEAW, right? So that is how it is. And what does it mean? So fire signs are basically assertive, open, and then aspire. Earthly signs are practical and grounded. Airy signs are communicative. And when it comes to watery signs, they are sensitive and instinctive. Okay. So three things that we should be mindful of when we talk about signs: it's polarity. What does it represent, whether it is active or passive? The second is its nature and quality, whether it is cardinal in nature, whether it is fixed in nature or mutable in nature. And the third thing that we should understand is what is its element. Is it fiery, earthly, airy, or watery in nature? Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.